Hello and welcome to the tutorial how to fix 100% GPU utilization in FIFA 23 on PC. So it's a tutorial for Nvidia GPUs. If you're a AMD user, I'm sorry, I will not be able to help you at this time. Maybe in the future. So let's get to it. You're gonna want to open up Nvidia control panel. As you can see, we have Nvidia control panel. We go to manage 3D settings and you want to create a custom profile for your FIFA 23 game. So we go to program settings, you add FIFA, as you can see, FIFA 23, and you want to use these settings like OpenGL. You want to use your GPU, for me it's GTX 1660, vertical sync adaptive, and the other very important setting is max frame rate. So if you have 100% GPU utilization, I had a problem. I locked the game to 60 to 30 FPS, whatever. I have two monitors, both LG, both 144 Hz, and even if I lock the game to 60 or 30 FPS, it goes to 144. And in menus, you know, the usage of the GPU goes to the highest. I had the system shut down due to GPU overheating. So what you want to do is find a sweet spot for your GPU. When I put the 75 FPS, it's like 86% GPU utilization and the system is fine. I can enjoy the game at 75 FPS. My screen stays at 144 Hz. And yeah, it's all good. I can enjoy the game. So when you add all these settings in Nvidia control panel, you can launch the game. And if you have GeForce Experience installed, you can use the shortcut if it's default one, if you haven't changed it, Alt-R, and it will show that it keeps the 75 FPS that I inputted. We can go to the settings, customize, sorry. As you can see, we have locked to 60 FPS and the FPS is still 75. We go here, we can change it to like 90. Apply, Alt-R. You have to relaunch the game. It will be at the 90 FPS. You get the idea. So here you can switch it. I'll keep it at 75. And I'll launch the Ultimate Team, because in the Ultimate Team menu the GPU utilization is the highest, even higher than in the game itself. So real quick, we're gonna launch the Ultimate Team. We're in the menu. We will resell the Jesus Navas released. He didn't sell, unfortunately. We're in a menu. We're gonna launch the GPU Z. Gonna switch the screen. And we're at 75 degrees in the hottest spot, and GPU is at 65 degrees, which is stable for the game. That's where is my sweet spot because I have a small form factor case. If you have a better cooling solution, you could up the FPS, whatever your setup is. I have 12 Gen i5 and 1660. So yeah, I hope that helps. These are my settings. I just cap the FPS at 75. Put the OpenGL to the GPU itself and the vertical sync to adaptive. And I did it in the program settings specifically for FIFA because in the other games I might not want to cap it to 75. I want to play at full 144 Hz in like Fortnite or Valorant. So yeah, custom profile for the game fixes all the issues. It's not ideal because on the PS5 and Xbox Series S, Series X, you can play at 120 FPS. If I try to play at 120 FPS, my GPU overheats, which is not ideal, but it's a way to enjoy the game at higher than even 60, in my case, FPS. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.